Let's do a couple of songs about these rainy spring days. Here's one. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. Here's another. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Janie wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And of course, every time you sing it, you can put a different name in the song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Zoe wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. I wonder if you would know another rain song. This is one about a creepy crawly and some raindrops. Yes, it's Eensy Weensy Spider. Now I bet you know how to make a spider with your hands. You can put your index finger on your thumb and then twist your fingers back and forth to make a crawling motion. You can also use one hand to make your spider crawl, and you can make your spider crawl on your body in different ways. Also, if you put both hands together with your thumbs, then your thumbs are the spider's head, and your hands are the rest of the spider's body, his abdomen. Then you can wiggle your fingers to make the spider's legs. So pick a way that you want to make a spider and help me sing the song. The Eensy Weensy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Eensy Weensy Spider climbed up the spout again. Can you think of a way to use your hands to show that the spider gets washed out? And use your hands to show that the sun comes back out. Now pick another way to make your spider crawl, and let's sing it again. Eensy Weensy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the Eensy Weensy Spider climbed up the spout again. Watch out for those raindrops.